Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I just real quickly wanted to show you guys how to use this beginner's guide to validate ideas for creating MicroSaaS applications. And so you'll find here in the document, it talks about problem reality check is the first thing you're going to do. And so if you have an idea or you have a pain point in your business or your career or your daily activities or daily lives, that is what MicroSaaS applications are perfect for. Because if you have a problem with that, I feel sure there are other people who do also. But you want to always verify and make sure that it is going to be something that's monetized, that you're able to monetize in the future. So you always start with the problem, and then what you want to do, market research or gather like evidence that it is something that's necessary. And so here are several places that you can go to do that. Google Trends, Google Keyword Planner, Keywords Everywhere, Reddit or Facebook groups, or AnswerThePublic. So you can actually go to each one of these platforms and actually type in what are people looking for. And this document right here will actually walk you through each step of that. And then I'm going to show you two easier ways to do it. But anyway, this is the simplistic way of how most people check out and validate their offer ideas. So these give you several different places to go and do that. And then we'll go into each phase of exactly how to do that. So this entire document is just about validating or thinking about what MicroSaaS application idea that you have, and then how to validate it before you actually spend the time and money to create that MicroSaaS application. And in a future training, I'll show you how to do those too. So anyway, you want to just go through all the way through this document. So let me just show you an easier way to do that. So the easiest way to look at MicroSaaS applications, what the trends are and what people are looking for, if you go to Manus, as you can see here, or Claude, or ChatGPT, and you just add a new task and then type in this prompt right here. Can you search Reddit, Google Trends, and Facebook Marketplace to see what the top 5 MicroSaaS application ideas are that people are looking for? And then you just push enter, and it will generate and send you a document where, let me show you. So I had put this prompt in just a few minutes ago when I paused the video so that you didn't have to just sit there for the 10 minutes that it was actually looking. But it actually gave me this Google Doc right here, top 5 MicroSaaS application ideas with validated demand, and it just actually went out and looked at all of the different platforms rather than me having to go to each platform and then compiling those and then adding that to one of the AI tools to look at. So you can actually go to Manus, ChatGPT, or Claude and just prompt it using that same prompt that I just mentioned, and then it will actually give you, the top 5 MicroSaaS opportunities, and then it breaks it down for you. And so you can actually prompt other things. You can say, what are the top 5 tools for accounting? What are top 5 tools that people are looking for legal ramifications? What are 5 tools that people are using for teaching or whatever? So you can actually make it more and more specific. And so it will actually break these things down. And then in another training, I'll show you how to take this and put it into another program to generate different ideas and see how strong it is. But right here, this will tell you exactly, what people are looking for. So I hope that this guide will help you guys start looking at other MicroSaaS application ideas, how to research those ideas, and just to get you thinking towards how can I build my own software, because I really believe, and so do many of the marketer leaders in the industry, that applications are going to be where our digital product applications are going to be where the future is, and there are so many ways to monetize that. So I look forward to sharing more about this with you guys here in the future. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to make comments down below and ask what questions that you have. And if there are other trainings that you want, let us know that too. I hope you guys have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.